It's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you today with a really exciting video. I recently discovered a new source for some really great crafting supplies, and it's a relatively new store. It's called Bella Vista Marketplace, and I have been in communication with the owner, Sharon, and she's super sweet. And she sent me a box of goodies, and I'm going to be making a project with it in the future. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's a really great place to go shop for shabby chic items, laces, trims, bling, metals, pearls, all kinds of good stuff. So I thought maybe that you would like to see some of the items that are in her store. There's also a Facebook group called Bella's Beauties, so you can check that out as well. And I will give you all the relevant information in a second. I just thought I would get straight to the goodies and show you some of this gorgeous stuff from Bella Vista Marketplace. Look at this amazing lace. Oh my goodness. Can you see? I mean, it's like bridal lace. It's the kind of stuff that you see on bridal gowns. It's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this in some shabby projects. And I mean, it's a really nice, big, long, generous piece. Look at the edge of it. Look at the edging of this. Gorgeous. Isn't that so beautiful? So that was one of the items. And look at this lace. I just love this. It's embroidered. Look at the scalloped edge across the bottom, and it's the white kind of tooly, meshy see-through on the top. Can you guys see that in a lace book or anything like that? I mean, it's beautiful. I'm in love with this stuff, and I really encourage you to head over to bellavistamarketplace.com and check out the store. I know there's free shipping on orders over $75. Look at this one. You guys know me and know I love my vintage, and this color is like exactly the color of what you would get if you tea-dyed some white lace. So I just love that, and I love that it's nice and wide. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Love the color on this one. It's beautiful. And then we've got this really pretty white one. Isn't that beautiful? This has got a little stretch to it, which is cool because, you know, when you're doing something like a doily book or something, you know, or if you're using it for pages where you want there to be a little give, this is perfect for that. Isn't that so pretty? Beautiful. Beautiful. Another really big piece. And then look at this one. This is a true cream. Love that. Another a wide lace that's got a little bit of stretch to it. Beautiful. Beautiful stuff. I placed an order with them as well. I haven't received that yet, so I'll come back and do another unboxing for you when I get the things that I ordered as well. This is just a box of goodies that were sent to me by Sharon, the owner. Look at this one. Love this one. This is more of an ivory than a cream, and you guys know I love roses. Isn't this just gorgeous? Beautiful stuff. I cannot wait to make something vintage shabby like I do with all of these goodies. And then we've got like this one. This is so great. This also looks like a bridal trim, and this is great for the edges of your lace books and doilies, you know, to outline something. You could make flowers with this. I mean, there's just so many things that you can do with these projects. And I don't know if you're like me, but I'm inspired by what I work with, by my materials and things. So I just pull a bunch of things that I know would look good together, and I just kind of let my creative juices flow, and that's my process. So when you've got items as gorgeous as these to work with, I mean, you're starting off way ahead. Isn't that beautiful? This is an ivory as well. I love almost like the harlequin print on the top of this lace. It's very different. I love that. Beautiful stuff. Let's see what else. Oh, look at this. Look at these appliques. Look at that. Gorgeous. Pearls. Love it. Let's see what else. Oh, this looks like bridal trim as well. Look at this. With the pearls on there. This one's got sequins as well. This is definitely a bridal trim. Gorgeous. And then we've got, I love how dainty this little one is with the leaves. I love that. Isn't that beautiful? I don't think I've ever seen that one before either, which is awesome. And then we've got this pretty. This looks like a collar piece. Isn't that beautiful? And you know, you don't need to use collar pieces as a collar. I've used them on edges of doily books. I've used them, you can cut them for snippets. There's just a ton of things that you can do with these. This would be a great item to tea dye if you're into vintage as well. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Sharon, for all the goodies. I really appreciate you. And love, love, love everything that you sent. Look at this really dainty one. This is a really pretty ivory as well, and she sent me a ton of this. Look at all that. You know that's going to be great for layering. And the same with this one. I've seen this before in ivory, but I never have had it in white, and I just love this. This is another great one with the scallops for outlining things. I love that. And then she sent me some rickrack. I love rickrack. Here's some white. And then this one is almost like a canvas. It's a lot thicker, which is awesome. So I got both of these. And then the piece de resistance. Look at this majorly gorgeous piece of bling. Hello, where have you been all my life? So happy to meet you. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's elasticy, it's stretchy. So I mean this, oh gosh, this just kind of like reminds me of a choker on like a 1920s flapper or something. Isn't that awesome? And I mean, there is some serious sparkle on this piece. I'm hoping the camera picks up on that. So that's awesome. And what I like about it is here's the edge. You see the 3 loops? So that makes it super easy to attach it to whatever you're going to use this piece on. And then she sent me a little bag of these pearls, and they're like jumbos, which is great. And there's different sizes. You can see like ovals and circles, because these are great to use as is, but also these make excellent flower centers. That was my first thought when I saw these. So love, love, love these. And then she sent me some other goodies too, some more rickrack in this royal blue, and then some of this elastic silver blingy ribbon, which is awesome, especially for the holidays. And then a whole bunch of all of these pearl trims. Can you guys see that? I should open the bag, huh? Loads of goodies. Some black sequins, which is great. I love doing like black and ivory together. And then look at these. These I am just in love with. Look at the shape of these. They're like diamond shaped and such pretty pastels. I love those. I haven't seen those before. And then that same one in the black. And I'm not afraid of working with black in my shabby and vintage projects. I like black. And then we've got some metallic red, which will be great for the holidays. And then some green, which would also be good for Christmas. And then this peach trim with the teardrop shaped pearls, and I love that. Now I'm an 80s girl, so I do like peach. And then look at these. I love this because it's not too big, these pearls. And then if you can see, look at, some of them got the iridescent. Can you see that? So, so beautiful.
Call from Kathy Vellante.
Oh, sorry about that. Kathy Vellante is calling me. My phone announces my calls. So again, check them out. I'm going to show you, this is the business card. It's bellavistamarketplace.com is their site, their store site. Click on shop and you'll see all of their amazing goodies that you can work with. And the lovely owner's name is Sharon. She's super sweet. And then check out their group on Facebook, which is Bella's Beauties. And then, of course, you can check out my channel because I will do another unboxing when I get my order. And then once I complete the project that I'm going to be making with these supplies, I'll come back and show you all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited that we have a new place to shop for supplies now, and I hope that you'll check it out as well. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll be back again soon. Bye-bye.